Hey guys, so I was just editing my dip nail powder, I guess tutorial or how to. I filmed this at the nail salon like back in January, and I was having trouble every time I would try to import the footage into iMovie. It wasn't working. I completely forgot about it, but lately I've been getting a lot of questions about it, so I did some Googling and searching, and I figured out how to get the footage onto my computer. I never recorded an intro or an outro. I never said hi and bye in the video, so I just wanted to do a quick thing, a quick little intro here. So like I said, the footage was from January, but I've been getting my nails done with the dip powder for quite a long time. I have it on right now. I will put the name of this one in the description box. It's actually the code. But the really frustrating thing about the dip powder is a lot of the colors and shades and glitters don't have names, they just have codes. So the salon that I go to uses S&S as the brand, and I'll just put the code of the silver glitter and like the milky pink. So I just wanted to say hi and introduce the video and show you the process and tell you that the whole point of me doing this was it took me a long time to find a salon and a person to do the technique the right way, or at least a way that I wasn't still needing to put my hands in a UV light bake, a way that making them last and look really good. And the removal process is really good. Before this place that I found, I was going to a place that would have me just soak my hands in acetone, and they would just keep trying to file and soak and file, and it dried me out, and it was so bad, and I just thought, this can't be right. And then at the end of the process, I was still having to put my hands in a UV lamp. So I just knew it wasn't good, and I talked about it a lot on my Instagram, and a couple people reached out to me and actually like went through the whole process with me of how they get it done and how it should be done. And so when I found this place and this particular nail tech, she did it to the T of exactly how it was explained to me. And the removal process, it should be very simple. They wrap your nails individually with tinfoil the same way they do gel removal, gel polish removal, and then literally they just pull the foil. It just balls up and pulls right off your nail. So it's a very easy process. This will last me at least 2 weeks. I like to go every 2 weeks because I get really bored with the colors and I like to change it up. I change it up to like the same, I change it up, but really I'm getting like the same family shade or white again, but I just like to change up the glitter and the accent nails. But it lasts me beyond 2 weeks. I like it because it's stronger than gel, but not as thick or strong as acrylic. And the other thing I like about it is if I get a little chip or something, it doesn't ruin the whole nail. Whereas if I had gel and it gets caught and it lifts a little bit, 9 times out of 10 it just peels back, or I start to peel it back. And here I can just file it down and it's fine until I go get them refilled. So I hope that you find this process helpful if you're in the process of getting dip and you're not sure if it's being done right, or if you want to start doing it and you want to see how it should be done professionally. I hope this helps you. To give you a ballpark as far as price, I was paying $30 for gel and I pay $40 for dip, but I'm going every 2 weeks. And with gel, I was going every week. So I hope that helps. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. This is exactly 2 weeks, and I'm not sure the color, if you're wondering, but it is the S&S. You can see I have one minor little chip here, and then my thumb, this hand, minor chip there, but otherwise intact. You can see how shiny they still are and how thin. They're not thick like acrylics. And you can also see that the regrowth is minimal, especially for 2 weeks. I probably could have went 1 more week, but quite frankly, I just get bored of the same color. The thing I love about the dip powder is when you get a chip like this, it's still pretty hard, whereas the gel, when this would happen with gels, it would start peeling back immediately, like this all would have been lifted. So that's what it looks like after 2 weeks. I'm gonna go in now and get them redone.